We've rebuilt this race car more times than I can count, often from the ground up. Almost every part has been repaired or replaced, with the exception of our SYLVANIA Off Road lights. After every race, every rollover, every hard hit, it's back to work. The car gets torn apart and rebuilt, replacing or repairing the majority of the components as we go. Trailing arms, knuckles, belts, clutches, filters, fluids, wheels, tires, bushings, bearings, ball joints, tie rods, steering racks, axles, shocks, control arms, the list goes on. We've taken hits from ruts, rocks, G-outs, trees and rollovers, each impact taking a toll on the car. But our SYLVANIA off-road lights, still flawless. 1 year, 7 races, over 2,750 race miles, and 0 failures. Over the last year, we have put these lights to the test with consistent use in extreme conditions. Although we have not had to replace a single light, SYLVANIA offers a lifetime limited warranty because reliability is not only promised, it's Baja Proven. In just 3 days, we take on the legendary Baja 1000. The biggest race of the year comes with the longest night sections of the year, and we feel confident having SYLVANIA off-road lights leading the way, because in Baja, the race doesn't stop when the sun sets, and neither do we.